If you're looking to track and report sales activity in Folk CRM, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can easily monitor your sales pipeline and ensure you're staying on top of your business performance in Folk CRM. By the end, you'll know how to leverage the CRM's reporting and tracking tools to maximize efficiency and get clear insights into your sales activity. First off, Folk CRM is a fantastic tool for business development, particularly for small to mid-sized teams. It's designed to be incredibly user-friendly, making it a great choice for those new to CRM software. Whether you're managing a sales team or handling your own sales, Folk CRM offers powerful tools that can help track everything you need, from individual leads to detailed sales activities. One of the first things you need to know is how to add and organize contacts effectively. Folk CRM automatically syncs your contacts, but you can also manually input new leads and categorize them into different stages of your sales pipeline. You'll see your leads, their current status, and the activity attached to each, making it super easy to see where your efforts should be focused. Now, when it comes to tracking sales activity, Folk CRM lets you record and monitor a wide range of interactions, like calls, emails, and meetings. This is key for reporting purposes, as you want to make sure every action you take is logged. By recording these activities directly into the CRM, you can look back at any lead and understand the full history of your engagement with them. To make reporting easy, Folk CRM has a built-in analytics dashboard. This dashboard gives you a bird's eye view of all your sales activity, from individual sales performance to team-wide stats. You can track conversion rates, response times, and other key performance indicators, KPIs, that will help you improve your process. The great thing is that it allows you to customize your reporting, so you can drill down into the specific metrics that matter to you. For deeper insights, Folk CRM also integrates with other tools that you may already be using, such as email marketing platforms, making it even easier to pull reports across multiple channels. With the software's integrations, you can automate much of the data collection, allowing you to focus on high-level analysis rather than getting bogged down in manual reporting. If you're looking to generate more customized reports, Folk CRM's filters come in handy. You can create dynamic reports based on criteria such as lead source, deal value, or sales cycle stage. This flexibility allows you to look at your sales activity from various angles and adapt your strategy as needed. Lastly, if you're using Folk CRM to manage a team, it provides you with a view of your team's overall performance, breaking down how each member is contributing to the sales process. This helps you identify strengths and areas for improvement, making it easier to optimize your sales activities. To wrap up, Folk CRM isn't just about tracking and reporting sales activity. It's a tool that helps streamline your entire sales process. Whether you're an individual entrepreneur or part of a team, the software's tools are designed to help you track every step of your sales journey with ease and precision. You can get started with Folk CRM for free right now by clicking the link in the description below. Plus, we've secured an exclusive extended free trial just for you, so don't miss out on the bonus. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel confident in using Folk CRM to track and report your sales activity more effectively.